Benidorm couldn't escape the Emilia rainstorm. Streets started to flood slowly but surely this morning. And there's even issues on the Levante beach promenade. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. This is a last-minute video from Benidorm town. It is 9:30 in the morning. It started to rain an hour ago and it didn't stop since then. This is the real situation right now in Benidorm town. We thought we will get lucky and we'll ditch the storm, but this time it wasn't really the case. Let's see what's going on in Benidorm during the intense rainstorm Emilia. As you could have seen, the tiles on the beach promenade were lifted up due to the amount of water. They're literally floating in the water. Right now, it is dificulting a little bit of traffic out there, but that's totally fine. Once the rain will stop, this all will be recovered and put back in place. But that is interesting. This area has been redone completely and the piping has been redone to avoid flooding. So far, it's not as big because it's been raining only for an hour or so. So imagine if this type of rain would be here for several hours. I would dare to think that we would still have quite a lot of rain accumulating on the streets of Benidorm, and especially by the beach, because that's where the whole entire water of the city actually flows, and that's where it all goes. So eventually it all ends up in the Mediterranean Sea right here by the Levante beach. Hence, there would be quite a lot of water there. But even now, only 1 hour into the rain, this is how it looks like. Absolutely empty. Obviously, it's morning time too, but people do go to work. Kids still go to school. It's a work day. It's not a weekend. So we can actually see that there's barely anyone here when usually it is quite a busy mornings. Let's say it like this in Benidorm. But no tourists, obviously. People are sleeping in more. People are going for a cozy, nice and warm breakfast. And, well, who's going to go for a walk, right? This early in the morning when the weather is what it is right now. So that's not a typical morning in Benidorm. But we definitely thought we will be able to pass on the storm and it's just going to go north. And it did, but all of a sudden, everything went up back south. Probably the wind has changed and rain finally arrived here too. This is how Benidorm looks like at the beginning of the rainstorm, Emilia. Rain is slowly but surely coming here, but all the skies are absolutely covered.